Hello students, welcome to Sri Jendra's Rank Zone classes. I am your friend and mentor for coming classes with respect to business mathematics and statistics. This is lecture number 12, chapter 2, unit 2, matrices. Now start with matrices. First topic is matrix. What is matrix? Matrix is nothing but an array, rectangular array. Here one example is given. Ram, Sita and Lakshman are three friends. Ram has 5 books, 3 pencils and 2 pens. Sita has 10 books, 8 pencils and 5 pens. Lakshman has 15 books, 10 pencils and 2 pens. The above information about 3 friends can be represented in the following form. Ram, Sita and Lakshman, they have books, pencils and pen. Ram has 5 books, 3 pencils and 2 pen. Sita has 10 books, 8 pencils and 5 pen. Lakshman has 15 books, 10 pencils and 2 pen. Now we can express the above information in the following form. So, in the rectangular array, arrange these 5, 3, 2 means books, pencils and pen. Books, pencils and pen. 5, 3, 2, 10, 8, 5 and 15, 10, 2. Here this one is first row. 5, 3, 2 is first row. 10, 8, 5 is second row. 15, 10, 2 is third row. 5, 10, 15 is first column. 3, 8, 10 is second column. 2, 5, 2 third column. So it is 3 by 3 matrix. It is 3 by 3 matrix because it has 3 row and 3 column. So 3 by 3 matrix. An arrangement or display of information. An arrangement or display of information in the above form is called a matrix. Now, definition of matrix. Matrix, a rectangular array of numbers, real or complex, denoted by A is equal to, in the square bracket or open bracket, A11 up to A1n, same as AM1 up to AMN. A is rectangular matrix. A is rectangular matrix with m rows and n column. M rows and n columns. The number Aij, where I is equal to 1, 2 up to m, because rows are m up to m, and j is equal to 1, 2 up to n. Of this array are called its elements. A11, A12, A13 up to A1n, same as AM1, AM2, AM3, AMN are called the elements of matrix. We shall denote a matrix either by using brackets, square bracket or open bracket. Now focus on notes. It is to be noted that a matrix is just an arrangement of elements without any value in rows and columns. It is to be noted that a matrix is an arrangement of elements without any value in rows and columns. Second one is the plural matrix is matrices. It is to be noted that third one is it is to be noted that a matrix is just an arrangement of elements without any value in rows and columns. Now, order of a matrix. A matrix A, consider A with m rows and n column is called a matrix of order m n or m by n. 1 2 2, consider the matrix A is equal to 1 2 2 4 6 5 7 9 8. Here 3 rows and 3 columns. So it is 3 by 3 3 comma 3 in open bracket or 3 by 3 matrix. It is a matrix of order 3 by 3 and elements 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 means 3 into 3 is equal to 9. Total elements are 9. That here the 9 occurs in the third row and second column. 9 first row, second row, third row. First column, second column, third column. Here row is third 3 and column is second. So 9 occurs in the third row and second column. The element 5 occurs in the second row and third column. Second row and third column. Thus in notations we may write the rows number. So here 9 occurs at third row and second column. So A3 2 is equal to 9. Same way for 5 occurs at second row and third column. So written as A2 3 is equal to 5. For 1 first row first column, so you can write A11 is equal to 1. For 2 first row second column, so A12 is equal to 2. For 2 next to first row third column, so A13 is equal to 2. For 4 A second row, so A2 first column 1 is equal to 4, A22 is equal to 6, A23 is equal to 5. Now third row first column, A31 is equal to 7, A32 is equal to 9 and A33 is equal to 8. These all are the elements of 3 by 3 matrix A. Types of matrices. Types of matrices. Row matrix. A matrix which has only one row. A matrix which has only one row is called a row matrix. So we can write as A1, A2, A3 up to AN. So 1, 2, 5 in the bracket rectangular array are examples of row matrices. Column matrix. A matrix which has only one column. A matrix which has only one column is called column matrix. The matrices are of the types 2, 5, 6 in rectangular array, 2, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4 are examples of column matrix. Zero matrix or null matrix. A zero matrix or null matrix is a matrix all of whose entries are 0. All the elements of matrix are 0 is called zero matrix or null matrix. Here Mn, and it is denoted by 0 Mn. Thus 0 0 same way, 4 2 cross 2 matrix 0 0 0 0 0. So this is zero matrix. 0 0 0, it is column matrix. This one is row matrix, but here elements are 0, so it is known as zero matrix. Are all zero matrices, but all of matrices. Square matrix and rectangular matrix. If the number of rows and columns in the matrix are same, square matrix means all sides same. Here square matrix means if the number of rows and columns in a matrix are same, such a matrix is called a square matrix. Otherwise it is called a rectangular matrix. Suppose 3 cross 3, so it is called square matrix because number of rows is equal to 3, number of column is equal to 3. So 3 by 3 matrix is square matrix. Instead of this 3 by 4, here number of rows is equal to 3 and number of columns is equal to 4. So this is called rectangular matrix. Here 2 by 2, it is square matrix. 2 0 0 0 minus 3 0 0 0 5, it is 3 by 3, so square matrix. Our example of square matrix are 0 except on the leading diagonal, then it is called a diagonal matrix. Here 2 minus 3 and 5, this one, these two are 0, this one is 0, these are also 0, so it becomes diagonal. So diagonal matrix, this is called diagonal matrix. If A is equal to A11, A12, A1n up to AN1, AN2, ANN, so Aij n cross n, it is n by n is 4 square matrix. Square matrix. Number of rows, number of columns are same. Is an n by n matrix, then the diagonal matrix obtained from it will be the following type: A11, A22, same way A33, A44 up to ANN. It is called diagonal matrix. Scalar matrix. A diagonal matrix whose leading diagonal elements are all equal is called a scalar matrix. For example, A11 is K, A22 is K, A33 is K, is called scalar matrix because all the values same. A11 is equal to A22 is equal to A33 is equal to K. So it is called scalar matrix. 2 is also scalar matrix. 1 0 0 1 here. For 2 by 2 matrix, A11, A22, both are same, 1, value 1. So it is called scalar matrix. Unit matrix. Unit means 1. So a scalar matrix whose diagonal elements are equal to unity means k is equal to 1, or a11 is equal to a22 is equal to a33 is equal to 1 up to ann is equal to 1. A11 is equal to a22 is equal to a33 is equal to up to ann is equal to 1 is called unit matrix, and it is denoted by I n by n. If it is order n, for example, a is equal to 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 last, I is equal to I n by n. Upper triangle matrix. A matrix is known as upper triangular matrix if all the elements below the leading diagonal are 0. For example, 1 6 5 0 3 4 0 0 2. A matrix is known as upper triangular matrix if all the elements below the leading diagonal are 0. This becomes triangle. One, two, three, four, 3, 6, 7, 8, 2, 5, 4, 6, 5, 0, 7, 8. Lower triangular matrix. A matrix is known as the lower triangular matrix if all the elements above the leading diagonal are 0. Lower. This is called lower triangular matrix. Now move to the next. Submatrix. The matrix obtained by deleting one or more rows or columns or both of a matrix is called its submatrix. For example, A is equal to 1 3 7 minus 2 0 3 and 6 8 2. The submatrix is obtained by deleting second row and the second column from matrix A. 1 2 3 1 2 3. This one represent row and this column. So deleting second row and second column, second row and second column. So we will get 1762. B is equal to 1762. Equal matrices. Two matrices A is equal to Aij and B is equal to Bij are said to be equal if they satisfy the following two conditions. First one is the order of both the matrices is same way. 2 in 2 cross 2 means A is 2 by 2 matrice. B also 2 by 2 matrice. First condition. Corresponding elements in both the matrices are equal. So A11 is equal to B11. A12 is equal to B12. A13 is equal to B13. So on. Now take one example. Here A is equal to 2 3 4 2. B is equal to 2 5 7 3. Here A is equal to A11 A12 2 by 2 matrix, also 2 by 2 matrix. A21 A22. B is equal to B11 B12, B21, B22. Here A11, B11 same, 2, 2 same, 3, A12 is equal to 3 and B12 is equal to 5. So A12 not equal to B12 or 3 not equal to 5. So not satisfying the condition 2. Condition 2. So these are not A and B are not A and B not equal matrices. If B is equal to 2, 3, 4, 2, then A11 is equal to B11 is equal to 2, A21 is equal to B21 is equal to 4, A12 is equal to B12 is equal to 3, A22 is equal to B22 is equal to 2. So all the elements are equal. So satisfying both the conditions. A is 2 by 2 matrix, B is 2 by 2 matrix, and corresponding elements in both the matrices are equal. So these are the equal matrices or equal matrix. Equal matrices. Now next one is algebra of matrices. Algebra of matrices. Algebra means addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction of matrices. Let A and B two matrices of the same order. Then the addition of A and B denoted by A plus B. Same way for subtraction, A minus B. But here we are talking about addition. So A plus B is the matrix obtained by adding corresponding entries of A, and similarly of subtract two matrices, we just subtract their corresponding elements. If A, Aij, m by n, and B, Bij, m by n, then A plus B, A in the bracket Aij plus Bij, m by n. We can add two matrices of the same order. So if matrices has 2 by 2, A has 2 by 2 and B 2 by 2 matrix, so we can add A and B. If they are of the same order, we say they are compatible for addition. Also the order of matrices is the same as that of the two original matrices. Property of if A, B, C are matrices of same order, then A plus B is equal to B plus A. Commutative law. In the bracket A plus B plus C is equal to same as A plus in the bracket B plus C. Associative law. Constant K common A plus B is equal to K into A plus K into B, where K is constant. Here now let's start with example 1. 2, 3, 5, 4, 6, 0. 2, 3, 5 here 2 row 3 column. So it is 2, 3, 5, 4, 6, 0 plus it is 2 by 3 matrix 5 minus 3 0 1 4 2. 2 by 3 first condition satisfied, condition satisfied. So now take addition of corresponding element. 2 5, 2 plus 5, 3 minus 3, 5 0 sorry 3 3 minus 3, 5 plus 0, 4 plus 1, 6 plus 4, 0 plus 2. So 2 plus 5, 7, 3 minus 3, 0, 5 plus 0, 5, 4 plus 1, 5, 6 plus 4, 10, and 0 plus 2, 2. 7, 0, 5, 5, 10, 2. Same way, for subtraction, 2, 3, 5, 4, 6, 0, minus 5 minus 3, 0, 1, 4, 2. First check, it is 2 by 3. Same way, second matrix also 2 by 3. Then subtraction of corresponding elements. A11 minus B11. Consider 2, 3, 5, 4, 6, 0 A matrix, and 5 minus 3, 0, 1, 4, 2 is B matrix. So easily you can solve this subtraction. 2 minus 5 minus 3, 3 minus 3 here. For subtraction it becomes 2 minus 5, 3 minus 3. So 3 plus 3, 5 minus 0, 4 minus 1, 6 minus 4, and 0 minus 2. So we will get 2 minus 5 minus 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 5 minus 0, 5, 4 minus 1, 3, 6 minus 4, 2, and 0 minus 2 minus 2. Negative of a matrix. Negative of a matrix. Put the minus sign. It denotes it. Put the minus sign of, consider. Let us solve with example. A 2 1 5 4 and 6 0 minus 6 0. So if A is any matrix, the negative of A is denoted by, now take negative of A, minus A is equal to, put the minus sign with each element, minus 2 here, 2 minus 1. So minus minus, minus 1, 5 minus 5, 4 minus 4, minus minus 6, 0. Minus 2, minus minus plus 1, minus 5, minus 4, minus minus plus 6, and 0. This is called negative of matrix. Now next one is scalar multiplication. Scalar multiplication. The multiplication of a matrix by scalar k implies the multiplication of every element. Here let's see an example. A is equal to 2 3 4 5 given, where k is equal to 3. So k into A is equal to, k is 3, 2 3 4 5. So 3 2s are 3 into 2, 3 into 3. K is multiplied with all the elements of A. So 3 into 4 and 3 into 5. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. Multiplication of two matrices. The product AB of two matrices A and B defined only if the number of columns in matrix A is equal to the number of rows in matrix B. Number of column in matrix A. Now consider A is 3 by 3 matrix, and B matrix columns of A matrix. First is row and second one is column. B is 3 cross 2 matrix. B is 3 cross 2 matrix. So, row and column. Column of matrix A, column means 3, is equal to the number of rows in matrix B, 3, 3. So, multiplication is possible. And you will get the new matrix AB in the form of 3 by 2. In the form of 3 by 2. Properties of matrix multiplication. First, matrix multiplication is not commutative in general. AB A into B is not equal to BA. AB not equal to BA. Matrix multiplication is associative. AB bracket complete into C is equal to A into bracket in the bracket B into C or BC, where both sides are defined. Multiplication distribute over addition of matrices. A into B plus C is equal to AB plus AC. Here A plus B into C is equal to AC plus BC. If A, B and C are three matrices such that AB is equal to AC, then general B not equal to C. If A is M by N matrix and O is M by N null matrix, then A into O is equal to O into A is equal to O, means 0. Multiplicative property of 0, because this one is O is 0 matrix. Any number multiply with 0, we will get the answer 0. So, it is multiplicative property of 0. If A is a square matrix and I is an identity, I identity means 1 of the same order, then AI is equal to IA is equal to A. Multiply any number with 1. 1 by 1 is equal to 1. 2 into 1 is equal to 2. 3 into 1 is equal to 3. Multiply any number with 1, we will get the same number. So, A multiply with 1, we will get the answer A. So, multiplicative identity property. Product of the two non-zero matrices is non-zero matrix. Now, see the example. If A is equal to 1, 5, 3, 4, 5, 6 and B is equal to 5, 3, 1, 0, 2, 8. So, now we will check the row and column. Say 2 row and 3 column. So, 2 row and 3 column. So, A is 2 by 3 matrix. This one is 5, 3, 1, 0, 2, 8. Here 1 and 2 column, 1, 2, 3 row. So, B is 3 by 2. Here column of A matrix is equal to the row of B matrix. So, we will get the answer in the form of 2 by 2 matrix. Now, doing AB. So, A multiply with B. A11 is 1. Here B11 is 5. So, 1 multiply with 5 plus, this is not an addition, this is multiplication. So, 1 into 5 plus 5 into 1. Here first row is multiply with the first column, first row, and it becomes like L shape. It becomes like L shape. First row, first column. So 1 into 5 plus 5 into 1 plus 3 into 2. Same way for the next column, 1 multiply with the second, number 1, row number 1 multiply with the second column of B. So 1 into 3 plus 5 into 0 plus 3 into 8. You can also solve easily by doing this. We will get the answer in the form of 2 by 2 matrix. So A11, A12, A21 and A22. So easily you can find out the A11. 1, 1. First row, first column. So first row means A. Number of first row means first number of row of A matrix, and 1 column means first number of column of B matrix. So A11 multiply the 1 row and 1 column. For the A12, row same, column change. Column is 2. So 1 into 3 plus 5 into 0 plus 3 into 8. Same for A21. So second row of A multiply with first column. Second row of A multiply with first column of B. So 4 into 5 plus 5 into 1 plus 6 into 2. Same way A22. Second row of A multiply with second column. So 4 into 3 plus 5 into 0 plus 6 into 8. So 1 into 5, 5 plus 5 into 1, 5 plus 3 2 is 6. 1 3 is 3 plus 5 into 0, 0. 3 8 is 24. 3 plus 24. 4 5 is 20 plus 5 into 1, 5. 6 2 is 12. 4 3 is 12 plus 5 into 0, 0. 6 8 is 48. 5 plus 5, 10 plus 6, 16. 3 plus 24, 27. 20 plus 12, 32 plus 5, 37. 12 plus 48, 60. Now, next example. The annual sale volume of 3 products XYZ whose sale prices per unit are rupees 3.50, rupees 2.75, rupees 1.50 respectively. In 2 different market 1 and 2 are shown below. Market 1 and 2, product X, Y and Z. So 1 product X, Y, Z, 6,000, 9,000, 13,000 for one market, first market. For second market 12,000, 6,000 and 17,000. Find the total revenue in each market with the help of matrices. Here let take P denotes the column matrix of prices. P for prices. Prices are 3.50, 2.75 and 1.50. 3.50, 2.75 and 1.50 for X, Y and Z. And S denotes the rectangular matrix of sale of volumes of 3 different commodities at 3 different markets. Then XYZ, S is equal to XYZ 6,000, 9,000, 13,000. for first market, and for second market 12,000, 6,000 and 17,000. Now total revenue in market 1 and 2. So 6,000, 9,000, 13,000, 12,000, 6,000 and 17,000. Market 1 and 2 multiply with prices. So S multiply with P. S multiply with P. So 6,000, 9,000 and 13,000. First row, first column. So here 21,000 plus 24,750 plus 19,500. 6,000 multiply with 3.50. 6,000 multiply with 3.50. So we will get 21,000. 9,000 multiply with 2.75. So we will get 24,750. 13,000 multiply with 1.50. So we will get 19,500. Same way for second one, 12,000 multiply with 3.50. So we will get 42,000. For 6,000 multiply with 2.75. We will get 16,500. 17,000 multiply with 1.50. We will get 25,500. So 21,000, 24,750 plus 19,500 plus is 65,250, and 42,000 plus 16,500 plus 25,500 is 84,000. So total revenue in market 1 65,250 and total revenue in market 2 84,000. Okay, so move to the next slide. Transpose of matrix. Transpose of matrix. The matrix is obtained by interchanging rows and columns of a matrix. A is called transpose or transpose of a matrix by AT or A dash. Symbolically, if A is equal to Aij and A dash is equal to Bij, then Aij is equal to Bij. Now example is A is equal to 137, 2 minus 203 and 682. So transpose of A dash is equal to 1 minus 2 6. Row becomes column and column becomes row. So minus 308, so it becomes 308 is column, it becomes row. Row becomes column and column becomes row. 732 column, 732 is column, so it becomes row, is called transpose of matrix. Row becomes column and column becomes row, is called transpose of matrix. Properties of transpose of a matrix. A matrix is transpose of its matrix. A is equal to A dash dash. We will get the A. Row becomes column. Then again column becomes row. It means A. The transpose of the sum of the two matrices is the sum of the transpose matrices. A plus B whole transpose or dash is equal to A dash plus B dash. Transpose of multiplication of a matrix and constant number is equal to the multiplication of the constant number by the transpose of matrix. Ka dash is equal to K into A dash. The transpose of the two matrices are equal to the product of their transpose in the reverse order. AB dash AB whole dash is equal to B dash into A dash. Symmetric matrix. In any matrix, if A is called symmetric, then A dash is equal to A. A dash is equal to A. A is equal to 1, 3, 7, 3, 0, 8 and 7, 8, 2. A dash is equal to also 1, 3, 7, 3, 0, 8 and 7, 8, 2. A dash means row becomes columns. Here row and columns both are same. First row and column 137, 137. Both are same way. Second one is 308, row, column is 308. 782 row, column is 782. So A is equal to A dash is called symmetric matrix. Skew matrix, skew symmetric matrix. Any matrix A is called skew matrix if A dash is equal to minus A. A dash is equal to minus A. For a skew symmetric matrix, A is equal to Aij and Aij is equal to minus Aij. So it becomes skew symmetric matrix. Now find A square. If A is equal to 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, A, B minus 1. A square means we can write A into A. Here 1, 0, put the matrix of A 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, AB minus 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, AB minus 1. So now take multiplication here 3 by 3, 3 by 3 matrix. So we will 3 first column matrix of first matrix and column 3 column and first and 3 row of second matrix. Here both are same, A into E, so both are same. So we will get the answer in the form of 3 by 3 matrix. So it is in the form A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. So now easily we will take 1, 1. So first row and first column 1 into 1 plus 0 into 0 plus 0 into A. For the second one 1 into 0. Here row remains same and column change. Row remains same, column change. 1 into 0, 0 plus 0 into 1 plus 0 into B. Same way for third. Same way for third. 1 into 0 plus 0 into 0 plus 0 into minus 1. 0 into minus 1. Here minus sign missing, so minus 1. Now second row, first column, second row, second column, second row, third column. So second row is 0 into 1, column is 1 plus 1 into 0 plus 0 into A. 0 into 0 for second row and second column. 1 into 1 plus 0 into B. For second row, third column. 0 into 0 plus 1 into 0 plus 0 into minus 1. Now third row, first column. A into 1 plus B into 0 minus 1 into A. A into 0 plus B into 1 minus plus minus 1 into B. Now 4 3 3 means third row third column. A into 0 plus B into 0 minus 1 into minus 1. So 1 into 1 1 1. 1 into 0 0. 0 into 1 0. 0 into B, so 0. The answer of this matrix is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. It is an identity matrix. So it is denoted by I, because here value is A11 is equal to 1. Also A22 is equal to 1. A33 is equal to 1. So it is called identity matrix. Now example number 7. Show that the matrix A is equal to 1 0 minus 1 3 4 5 0 minus 6 minus 7. Satisfy the equation A cube plus 2A square minus A minus 20I is equal to 0. Now first we have to find A square. A is given, so we have to find A square. So A into A square means A into A. So write down the A 2 times. 1 0 minus 1 3 4 5 0 minus 6 minus 7. Same way 1 0 minus 1 3 4 5 0 minus 6 minus 7. Take multiplication, same way. Here 3 by 3 matrix, this is 3 by 3 matrix. So the answer in the form of 3 by 3 matrix. So first row, first column, 1 into 1 plus 0 into 3 minus 1 into 0. Now the solution of A into A is 166, 15 minus 14 minus 18, minus 18, 18 and 19. Now find out the A cube from A square into A. Put the value of A square means matrix and write, multiply with A matrix. 166, 15 minus 14 minus 18, minus 18, 18, 19. 1 0 minus 1 3 4 5 0 minus 6 minus 7. So take first row, first column. Now then first row, second column, first row, third column. Same way, second row, first column, second row, second column, and second row, third column, third row, first column, third row, second column, and third row, third column. And now up the solution we will get 19 minus 12 minus 13 minus 27 52 41 36 minus 42 and minus 25. Put these all the matrix value in this equation. A cube plus 2A square minus A minus 20. I is identity matrix. So 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1, because this is a form 3 by 3 matrix. Put the all values. A cube value, A cube matrix plus 2 into A square matrix minus A matrix minus 20I identity matrix. Now solve. 19 plus 2 is constant, so multiply with all the elements of A square. Multiply with all the elements of A square. Same way 20 multiply with all the elements of identity matrix. It becomes same 20 20 20 20 20 20. So after this addition, subtraction, we will get the answer 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. All the elements are 0. So this is called 0 matrix, or it is represented by 0. Now B, solution. We may write A square, A into A, AB, CD. AB, CD is equal to a square plus bc, ab plus bd, ca plus cd, bc plus d square is equal to a square plus bc, b common a plus d, c common a plus d, bc plus d square. LHS of the given equation a square minus a plus d into a. Here a square plus bc, b into a plus d, c into a plus d and bc plus d square minus a plus d, a is a b c d. So a square plus bc minus a into a plus d multiply with all the four elements. So b into a plus d minus b into a plus d, plus minus cancel, c a plus d minus c a plus d cancel, bc plus d square minus d a plus d. So solve these. BC minus AD 0 0, BC minus AD. Now BC minus AD is common, 1 0 0 1. BC minus AD I is equal to right hand side solution. Now example 8. A is equal to 1 minus 1 2 minus 1. B is equal to A1 B minus 1. And A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus B square. Find the value of A and small b. Now you can easily find out the a plus b. Take addition elements by elements, respective elements. 1 plus a minus 1 plus 1 0, 2 plus b minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. Now take the square of a plus b square. So 2 by 2. So we will get the answer in the form of 2 by 2. First row, first column. 1 plus a into 1 plus a square plus 0 into 2 plus b. First row, second column. 1 plus a into 0 plus minus 2 into 0. 2 plus b, second row, first column. 2 plus b into 1 plus a minus 2 into 2 plus b. 2 plus b into 0 minus minus plus 4. So 1 plus a square, 1 plus a into 0, 0 minus 0, 0. 2 plus 2a plus ab minus b minus 2, 4. So a square plus b square, we required a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square. So now we have to find out a square and b square. So write the matrix of a into a. 1 minus 1 2 minus 1, 1 minus 1 2 minus 1. So first row, first column. 1 into 1 minus 2 into 1 minus 2. 1 into first row, second column. 1 into minus 1, minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. Second row, first column. 2 into 1 2, minus 1 into 2 minus 2, minus 1 into 2 minus 2. 2 into minus 1 minus 2, minus 1 minus 1 plus 1. So minus 1 0 0 minus 1. For b square, same way b square, we will get a square plus b a minus 1, ab minus b b plus 1. Now add a square plus b square. So we will get a square plus b minus 1 a minus 1, ab minus b b. Now equalize the both equation. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square. 1 plus a square 0, 2a plus ab minus b minus 2 4 is equal to a square plus b minus 1, ab minus b, a minus 1 and b. Now equalize the elements. So 1 plus a whole square is equal to a square plus b minus 1, 0 is equal to a minus 1, 2a plus ab minus b minus 2 is equal to ab minus b and b is equal to 4. Here these two equations are easy. So value of A is equal to 0 plus 1, 1. For B, value of B is equal to 4. A company, now next example, a company employs 60 laborers from either of party A and B, comprising of person in different age groups as under category party A and B. First 20 to 25 years, second is 26 to 30 years, third is 31 to 40 years. Party A 25, 25, 15. Party B is 20, 30 and 10. Category 1, 2, 3 rates 1200, 1000 and 600. Rate of labor applicable to categories 1, 2 and 3 are 1200, 1000 and 600. Using matrices, find which party is economically preferable over the other. Category party A, party B, 20 to 25 years, one category, second category 26 to 30 and third category 31 to 40. For party A 25, 25, 15. For party B 20, 30 and 10. Rates 1, 2, 3, 1200, 1000 and 600. Labor charges payable turn each party can be given by 25 into 1200. 25 into 1200 plus 25 into 1000 plus 15 into 600. This matrix becomes like 25, 25, 15, 20, 30, 10. For prices and rates, this becomes like first, second, third, 1200, 1000 and 600. So now take P R, P into R. So we will get this form 20 into 1200 plus 30 into 1000 and 10 into 600. So we will get 64,000, 60,000. Therefore party B is more economical as compared to party A. This is for party A 64,000, party B is 60,000. So party B is more economical. Now example 10. In certain city there are 5 colleges and 20 schools. Each school has 3 peons, 1 clerk and 1 head clerk. Where a college has 5 peons, 3 clerks and 1 head clerk and an additional staff of a caretaker. The monthly salary of an employee is as follows: peon, clerk, head clerk and caretaker 1100, 1700, 3000 and 2500. Using matrix method, find the total monthly bill of each college. Let us put the information in the tabular form. School and college. Peon, clerk, head clerk and caretaker. Peon is 3 for school. Clerk 1, head clerk 1 and caretaker 0 for college. Peon 5, clerk 3, head clerk 1 and caretaker 1. Let A 31105311 and take the salary, monthly salary of peon, clerk, head clerk and caretaker. 1100, 1700, 3000 and 2500 is equal to B. Write this one. These both are different. B is equal to this and A is equal to this. Now take AB, A into B. Therefore, the monthly bill for a school and college is given as 3 into, take multiplication, row, first column. Here column is only one column is there. So 3 into 1100 plus 1 into 700, 1 into 3000 plus 0 into 2500. 5 into 1100 plus 3 into 1700 plus 1 into 3000 plus 1 into 2500. 8000 and 16100. Therefore, the monthly bill for a school is rupees 8000 and for a college is rupees 16100. Now, this lecture is over here. We will start the example 11 in the next lecture. So, see you soon and bye bye.